Yeah.
Muros mean walls. Inside the walls.
The words.
Yeah, walls. Inside the walls. Wall.
The wall.
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 World.
Walls.
Wall.
Wall.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Inside, yeah, like this, inside the wall. Okay? The first stop is the memory of Manila. Why? It's the memory of Manila. We are many dedicated for dying by the Japanese the Second War. More than 100,000 bodies killed by Japanese. Three kinds of victim. Victim of rape, victim of massacre, and victim by firing squad. You know firing squad? Shoot the body
Yeah.
during the time.
Yeah.
If you go inside again and tell you history, okay? The memory of Manila during the Second World War in 1943. Yung may dating bahay ni General doon
My
naman.
phone says 23.
Now it's also changed where the
Actually not. Actually it's not hot. It's hot in human. It's actually not that hot.
The next stop is San Ignacio Museum. Before is a church, but destroyed also by the war in 1945. That one is building. Before is the church, San Ignacio. Is built 1870 and rebuilt 1878, destroyed by the war. Second war, 1945. But inside, where you see the destroyed by the war between America and Japan. Go there, it's free. No pay anymore. You go there in the top, you see the beautiful museum. We'll take a picture later. The two ladies not a Filipino. Why not Filipino? The two ladies. Why? Because Filipina, not Filipino. Okay. Okay.
You from Manila?
Yeah, no, only in the Philippines.
Like
Oh,
you come from here?
Pampanga.
Pampanga?
Yeah.
It's not far. It's like
Like 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, 3
Ah.
hours. But
at the seashore, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
I did study inside in Manila for college. My course